Hello, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another OS operating system. Today we're gonna take a look into these Zorin OS 16.3 Gnome Desktop Environment. So we are now in our Zorin, and of course it is a how do I say this one? It is kind of like the KDE with the Gnome Desktop Environment. So before we proceed to anything else, we need to see the website first of Zorin. So let's go to zorinos.com. And this is your alternative to Windows and Mac design that makes your computer faster and powerful, secure, and private respecting. So you have this beautiful layout of these Gnome and KDE, which is, I think you could change this one. Let me see. So we are now in our Zorin OS 16.3 Education, and it is absolutely for free. So believe your computer have the power to make learning better and more impactful. Wow, that is a nice quote. That's why we create Zorin OS Education. It helps you prepare students with the skills and need to understand the world of today and build their world of tomorrow. So download here. So they have the download right here. Before everything else, the education app for every class. So they have the huge library of educational apps and games in Zorin OS Education. It includes software that helps math to teach science, geographic, language, music, and other projects. Interactive apps let students of all ages grasp a new concept easier and help make learning more exciting and encouraging. Teaching coding and engineering. Zorin OS Education includes powerful and encouraging tool that helps you to teach STEM skills. Whether you want to be a developer, student, creative and problem-solving skills, or help them build incredible software and hardware, you can prepare your students to succeed in 21st century. So they have some scratch right here. They have also the we have no codes game developing studio. Well, no codes, but you can have this building blocks of GDevelop. Fritzing is also here. So this is more on electronics and how to build your electronic project and the computer prototype and experiment quickly. So kind of cool. Wow. They also have the builder right here. Yep, the powerful program environment. Well, I've noticed this one. It's really cool. Yeah, if you are into coding. Okay, this is LibreCAD, the computer aided design for old computers. Yes, they could also. I think this is using a XFace or XFCE desktop environment for Zorin OS Education Lite edition. Streamlined to work on computers as old as 15 years old. So let's go to the download. Let's click download. So let's just skip first, and then here it is, the Zorin OS 16.3 Education and Zorin OS 16.3 Education Lite with XFCE. So the other one, for the modern computer, we have the Gnome, and for the lightweight desktop based on XFCE. So you have two choices for a modern and an old computer. So anyway, let's go back to the desktop. So let's go to the appearance first. So the background has a lot of layout to choose from, 19 layouts. So you have this blue one, the blue pink, and the blue green, plus the mountains. You also have the blue pink type of layout. How about this one? This is the mountain with the gray on it. This one is a C, computer graphics C. Ooh, nice computer graphics. And also a computer generated graphics. So let me see. What do we have right here? Aside from our appearance and wallpaper, how about the sound? Okay, let's over amplify it. Alright. Okay, just playing. Time and date. I'm here in Thailand. AM, PM, as you can see right here, it changes into PM, but in 24 hours settings we have 1721. Okay, how about the about? So I gave this only, or the random access memory, about like 4 gigabytes, and the processor, of course, I have the Ryzen 7. So it's running in X11, and of course this is the latest. How about the application? So we have the application right here. We'll go into this category. So the accessories right here, we have the clock, files, maps, weather. For education, of course, we have a lot of software right here, from Gcomprise, Geogra, Kanagram, and all those stuff right here. How about for the games? We have the K Atomic. Oh, we have the G Brainy. Of course, we have the Mahjong at the same time. Mind Test. Potato Guy? Oh, I didn't know that one. Oh, I love to play this one. Sudoku. After games, we have the graphics. The graphics, we have the GIMP, the image manipulator program. We have also the LibreCAD, the LibreOffice Draw, and a photo. So after that, we have the internet, which is the Firefox web browser. For Office, we have the LibreOffice, and the evolution for the email client. For the calendar, we have the Gnome calendar, and the Gnome contact, and the journal. For programming, we have the Builder. Yes, Builder software for Gnome. Yes, we could make our own program right here. Kind of cool, right? And of course, we have Scratch. Can we play Scratch? Let's play Scratch. Let's make something right here. When press space bar, and then let's have some control right here. Let me see. Just put some repeat 10 times. How about the motion? The motion, let's have this one. Maybe I'll just gonna repeat another. -5. It's just like walking forward, walking backwards. Alright, let's go back. How about do like this? Come on. Kind of cool, right? So let's close this one. I'm playing already. Leave. So after we have the programming, let me see. We have the science. We have the stellarium right here. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I love the Stellarium because we can use the mobile to aim it on the skies and then see where it is, the stars. Let's put around like 8 o'clock. So this is the version of the desktop. How about the constellation? Alright. Use your imagination, kids. This is the, of course, the Ursa Minor. Where's the Ursa Major? Oh, there it is, the Ursa Major. Alright. So this is the Stellarium. Okay, let's turn off because I'm already playing. So after the science, we also have the Ka algebra for the mathematics, the elements, the periodic table right here. Cobalt, calcium, nitrogen, oxygen, okay, neon, argon, and so on and so forth. So let's go to the sound. We have the Audacity for your recording and editing of your audio. You also have the Cheese for the webcam. You also have the Rhythm Box for your MP3 players, and the VLC is for your video and audio. So, and the video, of course, for video player. We have also the system tools. We have the dist. You'll know that your partition software. Oh, later we're gonna take a look into that one. Appearance at the same time. Yes, I've been to this appearance, but I didn't record it. So let's try to see. This is the KDE. I think this is the KDE. How about this one? Another KDE. This is the Gnome. Yeah, if you click this one, it brings to the old Gnome desktop environment that you could scroll. Okay, let's go to the, what's this? Okay, the old Gnome version that is on the left side. How about the themes? I like it black. It's kind of neat for me. It is not too hurting to my eyes. How about the interface? How about the jelly mode? Like this one. I really like the jelly mode. You also have the option to put the trash mounted server and all those stuff. You can put the icon into tiny size, small size, standard, and at the same time the large one. Let's go to tiny. The font, you can change this one if you want to. That is the desktop appearance. So it changed, right? Kinda cool. Oh wait, by categories. Okay, let's go back first into this. So after this appearance, let's go back to the utilities. We have the backup, calculator, characters for your fonts, the dist usage analyzer also here, again the dist, and the system monitor, resources. And it is not sending telemetries. Yay. Of course, we have the terminal. Okay, enter the NeoFetch. Alright. So we have the version of the kernel 15 or 5.15 generic. We have 37 flat packs right here with the package, and bash script is 5.0.17. The Gnome Desktop Environment, yes, and it is in dark mode, of course. Gnome terminal is the terminal used. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 7 with Radeon graphics, and of course the GPU. But this is the virtual, so that's why. But in my hardware, I'm using the NVIDIA GeForce GTX. Okay, let's close that one. Let's play with the settings. Yay, this is what I like. I could change whatever I want. So this is the Gnome Desktop Environment. You can change the environment too. If you want to KDE, just click the KDE right here. So it basically emits like a KDE. How about the taskbar? Can we move the taskbar settings? Okay. Let's go top, left, right. How about the Gnome? How about the top, left, right, bottom? So where is your start button? Right here. The 6x6 dots. Okay. Nice. Software Center. I haven't talked about Software Center. First, let's open the Software Center. Let's go shopping. Let's full screen that one. So we have the editor's pick, recently released, the recommended video and audio application, the recommended graphics application, and by categories you have audio and video. So you can choose whatever you want to install. For example, I want to install Kdenlive. Okay, we have the source of FlatHub or Flatpaks or the Zorin package. So it's up to you. For me, let's go to Flatpaks. It's internationally for the Linux GNU operating system and kernel. So let's wait. We click already the installation. Let's wait to reach 100% of installation. If the internet connection is okay, but it is the weekend and that is why I having some issues with the internet connection. Okay, 100%. Let's launch. Wobbly wobbly. Okay, let's maximize it. Okay, there you have it. So that is the Kdenlive application opened and installed. Okay, let's go back to our categories. Let's go to some of our education and science. Now it is populated with all those stuff. Wow. Okay, kind of cool. We have the Child's Play open. So it is a game with sounds and images and letters and numbers. Contar. The Contar is more on the scientific, for the algebra and the formation of algebra if you apply the numbers. Okay, LubPlot for the data virtualization and the analyzing software that you could produce if you are a data scientist. This is what I use for my data collection. You can see, you can plot everything. So you have the Kanban right here. This is the OpenStreetMap Java editor. Yeah, I use also JavaScripts. I'm old school, but at the same time modern too. How about let's check out the installed. So builder is already here, so I won't reinstall that one. Let me see if we have some up-to-date. Yeah, this is already up-to-date. Anything that I left? Oh yes, also the start menu bar right here, or the application bar. We also have the desktop application that is open already. We have the Firefox right here in the center. The application, it's a quick launch. We have the Firefox, the file explorer, We have the software center right here. What's this? This is the unmount. We also have the wired connection because I am using the virtualization right here, so it is connected to my wired connection to the Wi-Fi. That is my host right here. We have the settings, lock. Oh, we have the power and lag out. Let's click this one. So we have suspend, restart, and power and lag out. The volume control right here. The time and date. Yes, it's already updated and up to date. Let's clear that one. The notification area. And there you have it. Everything you want to know about Zorin OS Education 16.3. And my conclusion, well, my conclusion is that kind of cool. This is for the educators and the engineers plus the students. And if you're a scientist at the same time, doesn't mean that only it's limited to this particular category, but also for the technician at the same time. So conclusion for this application or for this operating system, well, give it a try. Put it on the VirtualBox if you want to, or if you want, you have to put it on your USB and put it on the Balena Etcher, then boot it on your computer. When you start your computer, restart your computer and click the fast load, which is the fast boot, I think F12, F10, something like that. And then select your USB and then play it around, as long as you don't yet install it in your system. But if you install it, I recommend you to instead of erase everything, the original OS, if it is not broken, just alongside, install it alongside with your existing operating system. So that's it for now for the OS Zorin Education 16.3 version with the Gnome Desktop Environment. Catch another episode of OS next time. I'm Blair, your science teacher. So then remember that science means knowing. That's why science is cool. Ciao.